the fear or maybe the controversy, because this is something that I personally experienced, right? Like when I kind of started setting boundaries with people and saying like, this is my vision for my future. That's where I'm going. If you want to come with me, you're welcome to, but that's where I'm going. And then the response to that was, oh, you're just like a selfish bitch. And they're kind of like, okay, like I'm just here trying to become the best version of myself. And apparently that makes me selfish, right? Versus I'm proud of you for, becoming the woman who you're truly meant to be. And I'm proud of you for becoming the strongest version of yourself. And that kind of mindset is really hard when those people that, you at one point in time had, like there was a connection there was a relationship there, and then those people start like attacking you for trying to become the best version of yourself.
Yeah, okay. So there's a gap there, right? Between what you're up to and how people are perceiving it. And I can help you bridge that gap actually really easily. So first, let's just acknowledge and justify the purpose of why we are on these paths is to better ourselves, to become better versions of ourselves, to go out there into the world and do something meaningful. But then what is it that is meaningful? And it's that part right there. So here, we have to take care of ourselves because nobody else is going to do it. Nobody's coming to save you. You have to show up for yourself. You have to wake up in the morning. You have to shower. You have to shave. You have to take care of yourself. You have to go to work. You have to do those things. And if you want to do and you want to excel in those things, you want to get a raise, you want to do better, well, you have to better yourself. Those things are all important. It's the why behind what we're doing that is more important than the actual stuff that we're doing. And so here's the bridging of the gap. At first, it sounds really selfish. Oh, I'm doing this and I'm making myself better and I'm the best and I'm going to take care of myself. And here's the path that I'm on. And if you want to follow me, then that's awesome. And if you don't, that's fine too, because this is the path that I'm on. That is the very definition of selfishness. Here's why though, okay? This is the gap that we're going to fill. When's the happiest you've ever been in your life? If we go through a bunch of different memories, I can distill down where and why you were the most happiest in those things. I can bet that it was probably not while you were by yourself. You're probably with somebody or doing something with somebody or somebody else was involved. And then the happiest you've ever been has been as a result of the experience that you had with that other person. And that experience came from you likely selflessly serving that person. And that made you feel whole and fulfilled and complete. And that's our purpose. To take on a responsibility bigger than ourselves, to be in service of others. So when we find that purpose, the thing that we are up to, whatever we're doing. So for you, I know that it's to help other women find and set their boundaries and find themselves and kind of awaken to the journey that they need to be on. And that provides you with value, that makes you useful, and that's important to you so you have to be the best that you can so that you can be in service of others. And that's what makes it not selfish. So it's selfish so that you cannot be selfish. And that the only way it works is when those two things are running in tandem. I have to take care of myself. I have to wake up every morning, and my priority is, before anything else, that I have to exercise, I have to eat healthy, and I have to do something important with my time. When I do those things, I feel complete and I feel fulfilled. And then when my son needs me, I'm not distracted. I don't hate myself. I'm not stressed out or full of anxiety or depression or whatever. I am there. I am present and I am able to serve my son. When my girlfriend needs my time, I'm able to show up there and be fulfilled and be complete and give her every part of me because I'm not trying to find that anywhere else. I'm not relying on her to make me feel complete and whole. I've done that myself and now I can show up the best I can for her.